When most people hear of Reno luxury real estate, Arrowcreek is absolutely top of mind. Most people think that to get a view in Arrowcreek, you need to be at the back far end of the community. However, this property at 2988 Granite Point is here to show you why it breaks the mold. Our top 5 favorite features of this property start with the walking distance or short golf cart ride to the prestigious Arrowcreek pool and resort-style amenities. The backyard hosts a serene pond with mountain views, plus waterfall with a brand new pump, and 2 exterior doors to the spacious southeast-facing patio for superior sun exposure with flowering and maple trees. Number 3. Numerous high-end updated features like new lighting, including a chandelier over the grand staircase, upgraded kitchen cabinetry, accent tile backsplash, quartzite countertops, upgraded blinds, and custom built-in knotty alderwood wall cabinetry providing for useful yet fashionable storage. Number 4. The 3-car garage has had the 3rd bay converted to an entirely custom gym space with bamboo flooring and split heating and cooling unit to allow for the ultimate active lifestyle. And number 5, a desirable floor plan with 5 bedrooms, one of which being used as a secondary primary closet space, plus an office den, 2 separate living spaces, and an entry foyer.